Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Davida Paswat bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya for today. The headlines for today are: H. Elias Higher Secondary School celebrates Golden Jubilee today. Meghalaya High Court issues notice to state government, political parties and individuals of Soyong village on PIL filed by residents of Lenmautab A. Soyong. Polling parties leave district headquarters Tura for Rajabala Assembly constituency. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya High Court recently has issued notices to state governments, political parties and individuals of Soyong village in East Khasi Hills district on the public interest litigation filed by residents of Lenmautab, Soyong, alleging them of corruption and non-implementation of government schemes.
Kata puitrik, kat puitrik numamba, mana kat puit ajar pau. Te kani mentang iwan ceni surprise cengki namar iwan ban terus no ia kipai ba susung jungi te po dan tak ia sayang. Halor bagi file ya kapi yel apo high court kat puitrik mana kat puit ajar pau. Ti mentang ilayo kalang ban terus no kan kum kecing ta nang doyo jongi di matangan tulie nang ni ki jingit ho ka ba ni na kalyang doyo jongi man kalyang kai insya badon burong jongi ka balong halor do ka bala sya ban tesno jongi syakar lap sai kubur di matangan tulie ni kalong idap da kecing kemen ka ba sikat dai ha ka kam ka ba yede bat ka pl jongi na ka snong lan mutapi sayong ka bangi la ujor persya ya ka state government ki balong parti wei adu san pat persya iki kakandai parti ki bakan thopru ya ki reusiman kani ka piayal kade ge jingujor persya ya ka jingbam sam bat ka jingbam pentri hok ya ka scheme upai ba ka bahap po sayong constituency di kumta na kalyang ga jong ka yen bisa ba khridu ka high court of Meghalaya ha ka hearing ka badai haka arpoitrik brand bispo arajar kuai tasim kia but issue notice ya baro ki parties ki bakan thop ya ka state government ki committee but ya gireusiman but ni kum ki practitioner ni bu ka jingsania apo ka yim bisa badan buron bakan le ya ka ka badai na ka benta ka hok pai ba ban nim island ya ki kambam sap bat sim kabu trong di nong tres saka ne gi reusiman ki badan ha kasnong ne ha ka jala jungi khamtam ya ki nong ram pai ba ki ba susap menti ha ba ki yoi ya kat kani ka kamtu ka kamthok ka ba peleng ka ba pendu jubor ya ka hok ba jing matoy jong pai ba ho nyim da su phla namar ni nong ram ki ba ngidon ki long ki ba kelut ba mala ba ki badan ka pla patulun ka ba jeliu.
The H. Elias High Secondary School Nongtmai in Shillong today celebrated its Golden Jubilee amidst teachers and students. The chief guest on the occasion, MLA Charles Pingrove, garlanded the bust of Father H. Elias and also unfurled the flag of the school to herald the celebration. Speaking on the occasion, Charles Pingrove and Latip Langkarkongor lauded Father H. Elias as a great contributor to Khasi literature, while Robert Lindam gave the history of the school.
And present. Like it was mentioned earlier, I am no stranger to this school, for I have been given the opportunity to come to the school on many occasions to celebrate the successes and the promises of the future which this school, H. Elias, has provided for the poor and the needy in the last 50 years. Father H. Elias always said in one of his writings, and I quote him, "Kajait bin riu kubapuli, kajait bin riu kubatim." And we are grateful for that, and to the vision and the visionary of Father Usai. who founded this school 50 years ago to provide that education which is so important to all of us, especially for those who cannot reach to other schools because of the social and economical conditions. When we heard of the history of the school recited by our former student and a teacher, words cannot be enough to prove the essential needs that this school has provided to our society. I was very happy to see that today we had students from all over the country and the Northeast in general who have come to gain the most necessary asset of any citizen, and that is knowledge. Knowledge is an asset that money can't buy. It's an asset that you will take with you forever.
So viewers, we will take a short break for an important announcement. Welcome back, viewers. We will continue with the news. The polling parties who are involved in the by-election to the Rajabala Assembly constituency in West Garo Hills district today left the district headquarters Tura in the presence of the General Observer. The polling for Rajabala Assembly constituency will be held on the 30th of this month. The Rajabala Assembly constituency felt vacant following the demise of the MLA. The counting and declaring of results for the constituency will be held on the 2nd November 2021. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Thank you for joining us.